Civil rights attorney took the stand in a Johnston County trial that could have implications for more than 100 inmates on death row. Hasson Bacote's attorneys argue he was sentenced to death due to racial bias. The Racial Justice Act, which is in question here, allows death row prisoners like Bacote to challenge their sentence if they can prove race played a role in their prosecution. As WRAL's Destiny Patterson reports, attorney Bryan Stevenson testified much of the jury selection process supports Bacote's claim.
No further questions.
Hasson Bacote was sentenced to death by 10 white jurors and 2 black jurors in 2009. Nationally known attorney Bryan Stevenson argues that prosecutors tend to think of diversity on the jury like a quota that needs to be filled.
Mr. Butler seems to be arguing that because he accepted a black juror, that he kept a black juror, and because he struck one white juror, that he had done all that was required.
The lead prosecutor on Bacote's case, Greg Butler, says he does not judge based on race. Stevenson says some jurors were asked different questions. He also notes that while they were specifically asked about their thoughts regarding the death penalty, many, regardless of race, had similar answers.
You can argue that what these white jurors are expressing is actually even more resistance or discomfort with the death penalty. Yet they are accepted and the black jurors are not.
Bacote was convicted in the 2007 death of Anthony Searles during an attempted robbery. After recess, Bacote's attorneys questioned Butler about his word choice during Bacote's case.
Line 16, can you read for the court what you said in the closing arguments?
Hasson Bacote is a thug, cold-hearted and without remorse.
So when you made that statement, you knew what thug meant, didn't you?
I didn't mean it in a racist way at all.
And we went through trial for 3 weeks to get this verdict, and I was very pleased with it.
Searles' mother says she wants Bacote to stay on death row.
His family can come and visit him. I got to go to the grave. I will have to go to the grave site.
Destiny Patterson, WRAL News, Johnston County.
Now, one of the defense attorneys tells us if Bacote's claims are proven to be true, he will instead serve a life sentence. The hearing is expected to last through the end of this week.